Hey auto repair shop owners, it's Rachel Sheldrick here from the Workshop Whisperer, and I help auto repair shop owners to achieve business success. If you are in the southern parts of Australia, we have some great news. Thanks to your requests, we are holding one more Service Advisor Pro event for this year down in Melbourne at the Hyatt Place at Essendon Fields on October 4 and 5. So we've squeezed this into our calendar because of the demand for the previous two events in Perth and Brisbane. We had people fly from all across the country and New Zealand attend those two events, and the feedback that we have received is nothing short of amazing. So what are you going to learn at this event? Well, number one, you are going to be friends with your financials probably for the first time in a very long time. I have a cheat sheet which I share with you of all the mechanic specific metrics that you can benchmark your business against to really track your business health. And for many of you, it will be the first time ever that you actually have something useful to measure your business performance against. So that's the first thing. The second thing is that you are going to have a complete understanding when you walk away on Saturday afternoon of what the role of a professional service advisor should look like for your independent business, and what the expectations will be for the person that you choose to have in the service advisor role. Now, for some of you, you will actually be performing the service advisor role, and that is totally fine. We'll put a plan in place so that you can actually work towards delegating as much as possible so that you can be training up the right person so that you remove the key person risk that is around you. And thirdly, you will be walking away with a much greater understanding of how you can maximize the opportunity that you have on every vehicle that passes through your auto repair shop. You'll learn what minimizes your gross profit and what stresses out the workshop and actually hinders your profit-making abilities. So don't miss your final chance for 2019 to attend Service Advisor Pro. This training is an industry first. The feedback for the first two events in Perth and Brisbane has been amazing, and we're really looking forward to seeing you in a seat at Hyatt Place at Essendon Fields on October 4 and 5. Don't delay in booking a ticket. We're already half sold. I can't wait to see you in Melbourne.